Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have something very rare and special that comes all the way from the United Kingdom. I've been waiting a long time to get one of these and open it for you, so without any further ado, let's get into it. Before I take this item out of the box, I feel like I should give a little bit of context on what exactly this is. So this is a United Kingdom exclusive item. Like, you see this Road to WrestleMania stuff that I unbox sometimes on my channel. In the United Kingdom, Topps doesn't distribute those to stores, so they have their very own exclusive product that you can't find anywhere except for some international sellers on eBay and Amazon. So I don't know how this item got into their hands, but it's pretty cool, so I decided to get it. And I think they also included an extra item in here. I think this is it. Here we go. This is a 2003 Attitude Era Fleer branded, I think that's what it's called. It's a matte relic of Triple H, which is really cool. I think Fleer stuff is very expensive, and I got this for pretty cheap, so that's a good deal. Now let's see what's in this box. Here is the main purpose of this video. This is a WrestleMania 26 Slam Attax 10. It's very cool. I think WrestleMania 26 is definitely in like my top 5 WrestleManias. Shawn Michaels versus The Undertaker, that's a very good match. I recommend you watch it. And this is not sealed, but the cards inside are. I don't know why you would take off the wrapping but not open the cards. This is just the instructions on how you play the game. These are the cards here. I think this is a little binder for your cards. Pretty cool. Little bit of foam. Looks like the cards are opened, which is weird. So here are the cards. It comes with 5 exclusive WrestleMania 26 cards right here. We got John Cena, 95 defense and 99 attack. The Undertaker, which is weirdly below John Cena. Randy Orton, who's weirdly got a higher defense and attack than both of them. Triple H with a 97 defense and 100 attack. And Chris Jericho with an 89 defense and 89 attack. A pay-per-view card, Night of Champions. Jerry the King Lawler, 36 defense and 40 attack. I don't really know how to play the game, so Gabriel, I think it's not Justin Gabriel, is it? Never heard of him. Jimmy Snuka, TLC match, I guess this is a stipulation card. Alright. SummerSlam, Santino Marella. Here's the Big Show. Stretcher match, stipulation. Coco Beware, the Junkyard Dog. Here's No Way Out, pay-per-view card. Carlito, John Cena. This is not the WrestleMania exclusive. David Hart Smith, The Miz. These cards are stuck together. Here's a silver foil, whatever you want to call it. Finishing moves, Crossroads. Pretty cool. A World Tag Team Championships card. Here's a foil Rey Mysterio. That's pretty cool. Steel chair card. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that name. Festus. Charlie Haas, Shelton Benjamin, one of my favorite wrestlers. Ted DiBiase, a regular Rey Mysterio. I guess the foil means the attack and defense are higher. Here's Brie Bella with, I think this is the lowest stats that I've seen, 28 and 35. Mark Henry, Nikolai Volkov, and Zack Ryder, one of my favorite wrestlers. Pretty cool. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.